Hey Ernest, it's Jean from Dale Howard. Here's a shot of underneath the 2008 Toyota Highlander. I was just talking to the gentleman who owned this vehicle. It's a service advisor here, and he had it for about 3.5 years. Barely drove it really. Drivetrain looks good. Just a little bit of rust on the casing, but super clean. He said he barely drove this in the winter. It sat in the shed at his house. This was really his spare car. Didn't drive it too much, but he did decide to trade. So, looking really clean. We'll look at some other things here too while we're looking. We'll go this way. Get a little bit of a different angle, not so much of a glare. Hope you can see this all right. Muffler looks good. Rest of the drivetrain. We'll get the back wheels here. We'll walk around to the outside. As well, you're asking about rust. Not seeing anything. Looking really clean. We'll go all the way around. All the way around up front. Could use a bit of a bath. It's been snowy here the last few days. It does have a few rock chips in the front. Nothing serious. Hope you can see those okay. I can't reach them to point them out, but there are a few rock chips in the front bumper. But no rust. Really nice. Just had a new battery as well. Maybe the previous owner said he would be happy to speak to you if you had any questions. Just give us a call. Thanks, Ernest. 641-316-1525. Thanks.